Morning guys, we are here in Epping for the carbon ice blasting business launch. So these guys have been around for just a little while and we're going to do like a little bit of business exposure for them. So we are here in Trafalgar Road in Epping guys. So we're kicking off at 10 o'clock, so it's already kicked off and we're here till about 2 o'clock today. It is a massive industrial estate. So there is plenty of parking. You can bring your classic and you can also bring your daily. So today is about giving carbon ice blasting a little bit more exposure for this young couple to get their business a little bit more busier. So you can check out their Facebook page, you can check out their Insta, you can check out their website. So we've got some fantastic cars here already. Carbon ice blasting is down the end there. We will go and see them shortly. There is a raffle on, which will be drawn at 1:30 today. Now the raffle is free, so they are free raffle tickets. They've got some 3 prizes valued at $750, $500 and $250. Some t-shirts and some other bits and pieces as well. So the guys kind of like parked here, there and everywhere. Great to see a lot of our club members out today as well in support. So this is about supporting small local business, guys. So come on down, even if it is just for half an hour, come and see what these guys are about. So they're a young couple. Now, you want to know what carbon ice blasting is? It is like sandblasting, but much cleaner. So I've got a few photographers out here today. Eddie's there from Road Trip, Nadia and Jez, Karchik Media. Alright, Matt's got his combi here. So if you look up Foxy the Combi on Instagram, you will see Matt's work. He does a lot of the rag tops as well for all the V-dubs. So if you've got like a little Beetle or something, or he does all the rag top things for the roof. He also does weddings and you can hire this car as well. So this is not a club reg car, this is a full reg and he is fully authorised to do some limo work. So if you guys need a limo, look up Foxy the Combi, get in touch with Matt. Nice Capri here, Club Sprint. This is beautiful. Pretty rare car this. So guys, we're here at 35 Trafalgar Road in Epping, yeah? Come on down, we're here till 2 o'clock. We've got food, we've got coffee. So if you're hungry, we can help you out there too. Got some merch as well. New merch tops have dropped. Okay, there is a few different versions of different tops. You can have a look on the Northern Gal webpage, northerngal.com.au. Have a look at the merch there. It is special order and it will only be available for 2025. So, special edition or limited edition for 2025. So, carbon ice blasting is there. A bit of a walk through here. Paddy's got his 4-wheel here, 4-wheel drive. Alright guys, so free entry to go into the draw. You get a goodie bag as well. It is going off today, so it will be drawn at 1:30 today guys. If you haven't seen, this is some of the stuff they do. Hello. So here we go, here's the half and half. You can see that. We're doing a low feeder. I just thought I'd pre-warn you. Yeah. All right, tell me, how does ice blasting work?
Basically, dry ice blasting, it lifts off all the surface contaminants, not damaging any of the surface, so you get the best clean possible. Then after that, if you choose, we apply a product called IGL Aegis, which is a 2K epoxy. It's hydrophobic, it's super glossy, so you get this kind of finish. Now this is a four-wheel drive, which has done 200,000 kilometers. It got over 200,000 kilometers. It does 800 Ks a week. It's seen off-roading, it's seen mud, it's seen grime, and all you do is get a wet cloth, wipe it down, get a dry cloth, wipe it down, and it goes back to the showroom condition.
Okay, beautiful. All right, so it's a non-abrasive cleaning. All right.
So it won't damage any of your paint, won't damage fuel lines, won't damage electronics, any sensitive components.
Okay.
And if you look up in there, you see where you've got the all the fuel lines and the electronics. They've been cleaned, they haven't been damaged.
Okay.
And accessing those areas is just impossible right now.
Yeah. Okay. Very good. All right. So how do we contact you?
Well, you can message us through our social media, Carbon Blast on Instagram and Facebook. You can log us a call, you can email us, you can send a carrier pigeon if you like, because I don't think that's how we do it. Yeah, we're Carbon Blast everywhere. We've got our website where you can take a look at some of the work we've done. We've got our contact information on there.
Yep.
Or you can come down today and speak to us in person.
All right, cool. What are your hours here? Do you guys normally hang around here, or is it best to ring up first?
Best to ring up first, but generally Monday to Friday we'll be here 9 to 5.
Okay, and what's your phone number?
0494 103 649.
All right, awesome. So what I'll do, I'll go to one of your brochures and we'll get the phone number there as well, so people can screenshot that. If not, just rewind this live video later on, and we can you can get in touch with the team and they can do some stuff for you. All right, hey, thank you. All right, guys. So look at that. So as he was saying, you can do all of your fuel lines, components, and that sort of thing as well. Yeah. So look at that. And the coating is an amazing idea as well. So it is basically water repellent, just dry it down. Awesome. So these guys have already got a few bookings from today's meet as well. So we are here till 2 o'clock, guys. Come on down, enter the draw. You can win some prizes. But look, just come down, have a chat with the team. Is it going all right? Yeah, good, man. Have a chat with the team. You can bring your car down as well. They can have a quick look at it and see what they can do for you. Get some prices off them. Nice Ice Baby is here. Uncle Sam's Kebabs. Hey, I'm still alive. Don't be sick. I'll come back, Vicky. Give me 2 minutes. Thanks, mate. Look at this thing. Alright, so food is happening. Lunchtime is coming. We've got kebabs here for you, some coffee, some cold drinks. Come on down, guys. We are here at 35 Trafalgar Road in Epping, yeah? And there we have Eddie taking the oh dear God moment. Hey man, let me fix my hair. Alright guys, Carbon Ice Blasting. Get in touch with the guys. Support a local business, yeah? Give these guys a bit of a chop out. Get their name around. Recommend them to your mates as well. So many uses. Instead of you going and cleaning it yourself, get these guys to do it for you, yeah? Get the job done, get it done right, get it done clean, with minimal headaches for you. Alright guys, here till 2 o'clock, 35 Trafalgar Road in Epping, yeah? Come at 1:30 for the raffle draw, which is free entry. Hope to see you soon.